secret life hacks. Just say secret life hacks. Everyone tries to know the experience. So for the best thing, what kind of hacks means it's just for updating your life and enhancing your life. The key uh, based on some theories, some experiences, just personal experience sometimes might be helpful for you. It's 5W and 1H study. What's one H and the 5W? Why I have to do some after some losses, after some things, we analyzed some of theories required to start anything before we need to analyze the data. So we prepared and from the materials, book of materials, we started the things. I just collected some more secrets from the books and my based on my experiences. This is first thing and best for me. It's 5W and 1H. Why the 5W and 1H is really important in life? You have to know that. With each and every project and every work, before you have to consider that 5W and the 1H. It's more and more important. That's spirit level to enhance our work and easy to identify the problems as well. So here you have to start the work means just pick up paper and pen, just write down who to the work, what is the work, then it will be happens and where to be happens, why I'm doing this work. Then final thing, how it done this work. This is more and most important. If you are not able to analyze and get any one of the answer, it's not 100% satisfied, please do an analyze again and again and do the proper result. Once come to normal and proper result, start the work. Okay. Thank you. The best secret. So I'm not speaking more about this. Just 3 minutes of 2 minutes video. The secrets will be flashed to you. Thank you all.